guys, welcome to Top Best India. Let's go to the topic.
There are a lot of Indians migrate to the US every day. Have you ever noticed what they eat the most other than the home cooked Indian food? The answer to that is there are a lot of Indian restaurants throughout the US. Indians mostly eat Indian food, but there are other fabulous mouth-watering cuisines Indians crave upon. Here are the top 10 cuisines Indians love the most. Number 10, Ethiopian. I'm pretty sure not many people have heard about this cuisine, but you will be amazed when you taste Ethiopian food. Their staple food is injera, which is almost similar to the Indian South dosa you will find in South India. They give rolls of injera with choice of curries and dals. The texture and look almost resemble Indian dishes, but the taste is absolutely different. None of the Indian spices are used. You should definitely try it if you live outside India and have access to Ethiopian restaurants. You won't be disappointed. Number 9, Mongolian. Mongolian restaurants are limited, but they are pretty popular. Usually, Mongolian restaurants are with huge grills. You pick up a bowl with choice of raw vegetables, choice of meat, and the sauces of your taste. Then take it to the grill station, the cook saute, give it to you back. It is super fun.
Hey guys, while we are doing the countdown, I would like to share the effort our team has put in making this video. Please encourage us by hitting the like button. If you haven't already done, please subscribe and do not forget to hit the bell icon to get updates every time we release a video.
Number 8, Vietnamese. Many Vietnamese are migrated to the US, mainly to the California during the Vietnam War. So you will find a lot of Vietnamese restaurants in California. The best time to eat Vietnamese food is in winter and in rainy seasons. The hot pho noodle soup is the best. The soup is generally bland, but they provide bunch of sauces like sambal, chili oil, sriracha, soy sauce, and so on. They also give cut jalapenos and bean sprouts. You put everything in the bowl and eat it. You usually need both spoon and the fork to eat the noodle soup. You can make it however spicy you want. Vietnamese is like Chinese food, but the noodles are given in the broth. Vietnamese fried rice options are really good too. Number 7 is Japanese. The Japanese cuisine is one of the finest cuisines in the world. The reason Japanese is in 7th is it limited options to Indians. The most famous food is sushi. Sushi is a slab of raw fish cut into slices rolled under a rice ball. Sushi rolls are similar to sushi with various mix and match. It is more Americanized. The sushi generally is eaten with chopsticks. It is dipped in a bit of soy sauce, add hint of wasabi, and with marinated ginger slices. Wasabi is from a root. It is made into a paste. A tinge of wasabi is so much potent it is almost equal to a handful of mustard seeds. Not many Indians are a fan, but it is absolutely a delicious one. The next best Japanese dish is ramen noodles. Japanese have a unique liquor made of rice. It is called sake. It can be consumed hot or cold. Steaming hot liquor. Just think about it. It's super great. Number 6 is American. It is so sad American is in the 6th position even though you live in America with various varieties of traditional foods. The reason it is in 6th is Americans love steak, beef, and pork, which almost no Indians eat these meats unfortunately. The top best American food is burger with fries and soda. American fast foods are most popular and easy to grab and go. The most popular are McDonald's, Burger King, KFC, and Subway. The fast food centers are in everyday meal places. The next best thing Indians like the most in American cuisine is pancakes and donuts for breakfast. Pancakes are almost like the Indian uttapam, but sweet in many flavors like strawberry, banana, and so on. Donuts look like big vada, but taste like super dry and sugar coated like gulab jamuns. They come in many flavors. The next in the American cuisine is Louisiana fried chicken. It is pretty popular. It is the same chicken you eat in the KFC. Number 5, Chinese. Americans love Chinese food. Chinese are everywhere in the US for generations. They are most populated people you will find after Mexicans. Almost all major cities in the US have Chinatowns, where you will find mostly Chinese people with many restaurants, shopping malls, and all. Although first thing that comes to your mind when you say Chinese food is noodles and dumplings. In the US, most popular Chinese food other than noodles are kung pao chicken and orange chicken. Like Indian restaurants, most Chinese restaurants in the US have buffet systems. Some restaurants have hundreds of items in the buffets. Chinese favorite meat is pork, duck, and seafood. The most popular Chinese fast food is Indians love Panda Express. And the most popular Chinese restaurants Indians love is P.F. Chang's. Number 4, Mediterranean. Mediterranean food is from the Middle East countries like Greece, Iran, Egypt, Palestine, and so on. Most popular meat item is gyros, which is made with mix of lamb and beef. Only few places have chicken gyros. Gyros usually are made with tall stack of minced or cut meat slices and grill on one end and rotate the meat vertically. The vegetarian dish you will find is falafel. Falafel is almost like the South Indian dal vada. It is made with chickpeas and Mediterranean herbs. There are two best dipping sauces you will find in Mediterranean restaurants. Number 1 is hummus. It is super creamy sauce made of chickpeas and mostly eaten with pita. Pita is roti. The second best sauce people love is baba ganoush. It is almost similar to the South Indian chutney made with burnt brinjal, garlic, and tahini. Tahini is nothing but the sesame paste. You don't find much of fast food Mediterranean, but you can find locally almost anywhere. Baklava is the most popular sweet, which is made with pistachios layered and dipping sauce. Number 3, Italian. Most popular Italian dish is pizza. Who doesn't love pizza? Indians love pizza anytime, whether within India or outside. The traditional pizza is made in high heat oven. The main ingredients used are pizza dough, marinara sauce, cheese, and toppings of your like. The best vegetarian pizza in US you get is margherita pizza with tomato slices and mozzarella cheese slices. Like Indians, Americans love pizza any day. I wouldn't be surprised Americans saying it is American food, not Italian. Jokes apart, there are mainly two kinds of American pizzas you will find. Number 1 is New York style pizza. It is almost a traditional Italian pizza you will find with thin crust and regular crust. It usually has sausage mostly made of pork, and the most famous one is pepperoni pizza. Second popular one is Chicago deep dish pizza, which you mostly find this in Chicago. It is deep dish, thick, and with various layers of cheese and sauce. I don't think you can eat this with hand. You would definitely need silverware for this. When it comes to Italian food, the most popular restaurants Indians go is Olive Garden. The breadsticks and the salad in these restaurants are amazing. Number 2, Mexican. Any time of the day, Indians would say yes to Mexican food because it is super spicy, tangy, and everything. Mexicans are a big fan of pork. Well, we do have other options with chicken and vegetarian. The best go-to places for Indians for Mexican fast food is Taco Bell and Chipotle for the healthier version. Even though Mexicans have very limited items on the menu, they use the same ingredients, fold and cook, make them in different way. In Taco Bell, Indians love chalupa. The vegetarian option in Mexican restaurants is red beans, black beans, corn, and don't forget about the guacamole. It is a super yummy sauce which is made of avocado, tomatoes, chili, onion, lime, and salt. Number 1, Thai. Indians love Thai food as it has curries, noodles, rice, soup which touches Indian elements. Even though the spices are not same, but the gravy made of coconut milk and spice level with the tangy lemongrass in almost all the dishes makes the top favorite to any Indian. Most common dishes are Panang curry, which is made of peanut sauce and coconut milk base. And also they have red curry, yellow curry, green curry. Other popular noodles kind of dishes are Pad Thai and drunken noodles. When you go to the Thai restaurants, they always ask for spice level, either from 1 to 5 or 1 to 10. Don't dare to try the level 5 or level 10. It is super spicy. Thai cuisine generally don't have fast food concept in the US. Almost all of them are proper restaurants.
If you like this video, please like the video, share with your friends and comment me in the comment section. And last, please subscribe to our channel. You can get crazy topics.